The greatest yajna in history was completed. Everyone celebrated Ashwamedha Yajna, which was done after Kurukshetra war by Yudhishthira. It was grand and vast. Thousands of Brahmins were fed. Mountains of gold were donated. Sacred rituals were flawlessly conducted, and days passed in perfection. Kings arrived from everywhere, and when it ended, voice rose. This is the greatest yajna ever performed. Nothing can match this. Priest felt proud, Pandavas satisfied, guests stood in awe. Then suddenly something changed. A strange creature appeared. A mongoose walked in Yagya ground, but not ordinary. Half its body was gold, shining bright like the sun. Other half was brown. Everyone stared in shock. The mongoose walked forward towards the remnants, leftover rice, ashes of offering and all, and it rolled over them, covering the brown side. Then it stood, shook itself, looked disappointed. This yagya, it spoke in human voice. You call this the greatest sacrifice? This is nothing compared to what I witnessed. Silence fell everywhere. Yudhishthira asked, who are you? What sacrifice is greater than this? The mongoose replied calmly, years ago, during famine, I entered a poor Brahmin's hut. He lived with his family, wife, son, and daughter in law. They were starving for days. That day, they received a handful of barley flour, enough only for one. They divided it into four tiny portions. Just before eating, a guest arrived, weak and starving and dying. Without hesitation, the Brahmin gave his share. Guest remained hungry. Then the wife gave her. Still he was hungry. Then the son gave. Still hungry. Finally, the daughter in law gave. The guest ate and left satisfied. That family died that night from starvation. But their sacrifice was pure, completely selfless. The barley on ground turned gold. I rolled in it. Half my body became gold. I have searched ever since for a sacrifice that pure, and I thought this yagya might complete me. But it failed because this yagya had pride, ego, desire for fame. That poor family gave everything. They wanted nothing in return. That alone was the greatest yagya. The mongoose disappeared, leaving silence. Yudhishthira realized the truth. Sacrifice value is not size or grandeur, but heart, purity, and handful given with love is greater than mountains given with pride. From the Mahabharata, Ashwamedha Parva is where the story is taken from. Follow this page for more such stories. Jai Satya.